These POV animal videos are going super viral right now, and I'll quickly show you how to make them as fast as possible. Open ChatGPT and go to the Explore GPTs tab. Search for a GPT called Micro Camera Animal and select that GPT. Click on Start Chat and then click the Start button. The GPT will ask which one you want. In this example, we choose Ant. You'll then get 1 text-to-image prompt and 5 video prompts. Copy the text-to-image prompt and go to OpenArt. Click on Create Image and select the model Nana Banana 2. Paste the text-to-image prompt and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Click Generate and you'll get images like this. Now go to Kling AI and open the Video tab. Upload the image you just made in OpenArt and select Multi-Shot. For each shot, paste one of the 5 video prompts and set each shot to 3 to 5 seconds. Click Generate and you'll get a video like this. There's also another way to do it. You can make it without multi-shot by only pasting the first video prompt. Click Generate and you'll get a video of 3 to 5 seconds. Then click on Extract Frame and select the last frame of that video. After that, paste the next video prompt and generate the next clip, which will look similar. You can keep repeating this to make the video longer and longer for as long as you want. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.